Hi and welcome in a new video in which I'm going to show you how to build a micro archer tank, a British tank that is a kind of weird one because it seems it drives backwards, but it isn't backwards, it's just the gun is pointing backwards. Very interesting design. As you can see, you are already watching at the parts list. I don't have one on hand for my self brick build, so I can't show you anything yet, but I didn't want to keep this video from you, and yeah, I like to show you. In a couple of seconds I'm going to start the building steps, showing you the steps how this one is built, but as said, you are now looking at the parts list of all dark bluish gray one. After this one is finished, I will immediately show you the parts list of a Desert Camo version 1, and next to that, steps for that one. And if that one is finished, I will show you a Camo version, Desert Camo version again, but this time it uses bricks that doesn't come in original Lego parts, so not in the right colors at least, but you are able to buy those parts at webrick.com. Check the link in my description, and if you use that link and the coupon code, you sponsor my channel as well. So without further ado, I start the steps for building this one in dark bluish gray, Desert Camo, and next to that the WeBrick Desert Camo. I hope you like the video. To give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to see more, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye. These are the parts you can use to build the same tank, this time in the British Desert Camo colors, tan, light bluish gray and dark bluish gray. I hope you like this version too, and maybe build this one if you have the parts, or otherwise check out Bricklink to get yours now. These are the parts you can use to make the same Desert Camo, but instead of with all gray colors, you now use bright light blue. Not all parts are available in original Lego, but you can get them at webrick.com. I did a review on their bricks not so long ago. Check out the right corner for that video. And yeah, I have a link in the description of this video and a coupon code, all in the description of this video, you can use to get those parts. They're cheaper than Lego and more colors available, and as I say in the review video, I'm pretty positive about them. So go check them out, and I hope you enjoy building this one as well.